It's nearly midnight, but here in the Arctic, it's not an excuse to stay at home. I'm kayaking now in the ocean near Tromsø, Arctic Norway, and the sun is still shining brightly. And I'm not the only one. I am in the group of tourists also wanting to experience what it feels like to be out all night when the sun is shining so bright.
Great, it's a very great experience.
What does it feel like to be out in the midnight sun?
It throws you all off. Like when you're supposed to sleep, it's still light, so you're thinking, oh, I can do all kinds of stuff.
As Tromsø is located above the Arctic Circle, in summertime, the sun here never dips below the horizon.
I like the farm life. I have a lot of Icelandic horses, a lot of chickens, 40 maybe. You have 50 sheep, some goats, dogs, cats. Midnight sun do that strawberry and other vegetables are growing faster, also more tasty and more intense. For me, it's the best strawberry.
Are there any animals that impacted by the midnight sun in the farm?
That's most only thing I can think about is the rooster who are yelling all the time because it never gets dark.
My name is Stefan Rygåsen. I'm a PhD student here at UiT. My research interest is in cognitive neuroscience. Well, there was this one study on self-reported sleep and health, which was generally better in summer. And this is from the Tromsø study. In summer, we feel less fatigued physically, but also mentally. So now it's warm, sunny, which can make people go out and be more social, which could also energize people and wake people up. The sun gives you vitamin D, which is also very important for our bodily function.
While people are energized, what about the wildlife? Here, in the world's northernmost animal park, visitors can meet all sorts of Nordic wild animals.
They're more lazy when the sun is out. When it's dark and you have -20, that's when the animals really roam around.
Do wolves, bears, wolverines need also a bit of a darkness to fall asleep?
I think the bears and the wolverine do prefer that because they do go down in the dens where it's dark when they need to go for the deep sleep. Sometimes we can actually hear the bears snoring, but like the wolves, they don't really sleep because they're a dog, so they only sleep for like an hour, then they wake up, sleep for an hour, wake up.
I feel good in midnight sun.
But some people feel confused and can't sleep.
No, but maybe they should enjoy the nature instead of being confused.